Well,
hello from Hollywood Studios,
Orlando
Resort.
You know, I think it's just fitting that we do all of our intros in front of Mickey and Minnie's.
All the time?
Yeah, almost. I don't know. I really like the ride. We're waiting to go on this ride. About to jump in line.
Uh-huh.
I don't know if you know this.
What?
We got a pass for Rise of the Resistance.
You did?
Yeah.
Well, I wasn't awake at 7 o'clock this morning.
I was still awake. So we're going to do that. We're going to do Mickey's.
See what else we can do. Yeah. We haven't been here in a while, so maybe there's like new things going on. So we came to show you guys, and we also just wanted to have like a fun day.
Yeah. I heard there's a new restaurant that's kind of open too, so we'll have to check that out.
Huh, interesting.
I don't know if it's a restaurant, quick service, whatever. I don't know. We'll see.
It has food.
Yeah. And it's lunchtime. I'm hungry.
But if you're new, hello, hi, and welcome.
If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, because we do post twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays. And yeah, and like and comment.
Like, comment. Please share with your fam. Tag us anything. If you want us to do anything else, go somewhere and let us know. We're active on social media, especially Instagram and TikTok.
Yeah. Yes.
Start a discussion with your fam. We love seeing those comments. If you subscribe, please share with your family and friends, because there's lots of cool stuff coming. We're hoping to get to at least 1,000 subscribers. We know you guys will help us do that.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative.
Well, in case you didn't know, PizzeRizzo has been open for a little bit, and we decided to stop by. So I got the sausage and pepperoni. Amber got the pepperoni, which looks good. You get a side of either Caesar salad or carrots. Amber also got a peach Bellini slushy, non-alcoholic, and we got 2 Cokes, all for the low price of $36. Bon appetit. Okay, we're finishing up. Amber has 1 slice left. I ate all mine. I'm gonna be honest, it's a big miss for us. Pizza Fari, I think, is a lot better than this, but it might be the same pizza. But our favorite place is over in Universal. That pizza is really good. Amber says that there's a lot of sauce, so she's not a sauce girl. I'm a crust guy, so the pizza has to be the crust has to be really good. Now, the peach Bellini, non-alcoholic, was really good. It was really tart and sour at the same time. So it wasn't bad though. So you're not gonna be able to hear Amber, but just nod if you agree. So I think Mickey's is probably better than Tower of Terror.
We'll get to step in into it.
So we're gonna pretend like this is the show. Nothing can stop us now. Oh, I was singing.
Everyone to your positions. Ready and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now let's
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thank you for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
So we finally get to put something out first, almost. This is the new green, mint green. Probably should take my glasses off, maybe it'll help. It is so awesome. Look at these ears.
These are 75.
75, so they've gone up $10?
Well, I don't know. I said I think so. Because look at it.
So these are the ears. Pretty cool.
Where'd you get them? These are 90. They're selling for like 150 off online.
And then that is the new lounge fly. Guys, please pray for me because Amber's on this lounge fly we have to buy. Kick.
But I don't know if this is, guys, leave a comment. Does this match me?
Okay, I don't know if you can hear her, but she's asking if you think that this matches her. We're breaking our rules, guys. We're riding Twilight Tower Terror, and it's at 40 minutes. We usually ride it at 30. So we're breaking our own rule. I feel like they still need to make a hotel themed around this. This thing is just amazing. The theming, everything. I just wish there was a hotel we could actually go into.
What did you think of our day? Well, our few hours we were here.
It's enjoyable.
It's humid, so that's why we're heading out.
Yeah.
Someone's smoking. Pew!
Yeah, it was fun. We have a lot of things planned for you guys. Like in a month, we have a place that we're gonna be trying for you. We have a year before we go on a cruise.
Yeah, leave those comments, you guys. Like, we love seeing them and hanging out with our fan bam. We did ask about maybe us doing some lives. Like, I can go to the park every so often and do a live. Like, who will join? I want you guys to comment to let me know who will be watching and participate.
Yeah. If you guys made it this far, thank you so much for supporting our channel.
It's hot and humid today. Drink lots of water. Don't wait to eat till you come to the parks. Bring snacks. Eat before. Eat watermelon. You know, those stuff that has a lot of water in it.
PSA, public service announcement from Amber.
Dun, 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 dun.
Alright guys, thank you for making it this far. Thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't done so, right in that bottom corner there is a subscribe button. All you have to do is
Checking
click
for
it.
cars. Yes, please subscribe. Share with your family and friends that might like us. Help
Keep
us.
moving it.
Please help us get monetized. Is this better?
Yeah, it's better.
It's the angle, guys.
It is.
We never do this.
No.
We're trying it out.
But, guys, we will definitely see you guys next time.
Bye.